Instead of repeating the same sentence over and over again, try to say it a little differently. Suppose you agree on something. So, how do you say it in English? Today we will learn 20 phrases or sentences with which you can easily explain that you agree. Let me give you an example. Will you go with us? Will you go with us? To answer this, use the following phrases. Absolutely. Absolutely. Exactly. Exactly. I agree 100%. I agree 100%. I totally agree. I totally agree. I am with you. I am with you. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. I was just going to say that. I was just going to say that. This is exactly how we can use these phrases if we agree with someone. I feel the same. I feel the same. I suppose so. I suppose so. Me too. Me too. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. That's a good point. That's a good point. That's exactly how I feel. That's exactly how I feel. That's exactly what I think. That's exactly what I think. That's true. That's true. That's so true. That's so true. That's for sure. That's for sure. You are right. You are right. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. You have a point there. You have a point there. If we don't agree, you can say, I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree with you more. I couldn't agree with you more. Instead of repeating the same sentence over and over again, try to say it a little differently. This takes your English to another level. Your English will improve a lot, and it will also be much smarter to hear your English.